Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint leaves for hair growth. Mint contains menthol, which is known to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp. This increased blood flow can deliver essential nutrients to your hair follicles, promoting healthier growth. Additionally, mint's natural antimicrobial properties help keep your scalp clean and free from issues that might hinder hair development. A simple mint hair rinse is easy to make at home. Just boil 1 cup of fresh mint leaves in 2 cups of water for about 15 minutes. After boiling, strain the liquid and let it cool down completely. Once it's cool, you can use this invigorating rinse after you've shampooed and conditioned your hair, leaving it on for a few minutes before a final rinse. For a more intensive treatment, try a mint oil scalp massage. Mix 5 to 7 drops of peppermint essential oil with 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil, like jojoba or coconut. Gently massage this blend into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes, ensuring good coverage. Let it sit for about 30 minutes before washing your hair thoroughly with shampoo. To get the best results, aim to use mint treatments 1 to 2 times per week. Remember to always perform a patch test on a small area of skin first to ensure you don't have any sensitivities. Consistency is key for seeing improvements in your hair's health and growth. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.